Good. Next, when the number of destroyed stones is equal to the total number of stones, the ball is destroyed and you win message should be displayed. For that, I drag another if code block under control outside of this for loop. For the condition here, let's drag a code block with 2 equal marks in the math section like this. Here it is given as des stones and here it is given as tot stones. Because the ball needs to be destroyed, drag the sprite.destroy code block under sprites into this if code block and give the ball as sprite. Now the you win message should be displayed. For this, I added a sprite for animation at the beginning, but we haven't created the sprite yet. Also, the animation was not provided. This message needs to be displayed when the des stone equal total stone. So let's create the sprite and give the animation. For that, a var sprite code block under sprites is dragged into this if code block. Name the sprite as win. Since the message needs to be displayed in the middle, 200 and 200 are given for the X and Y position. Next, because we need to provide an animation, click on sprites and drag the sprite.setAnimation code block like this. Give the name of the sprite as win and select you win from the animation. Also, in this game, if the ball goes beyond the bottom edge, the game ends. At this point, it is also necessary to display you lose. Back here in the control section, let's drag an if code block. For the condition, a sprite is touching target code block under sprites is dragged here. Let's give the sprite as ball and the target as the bottom edge. Now let's destroy the ball. Drag the sprite.destroy code block under sprites into this if code block and give the ball as the sprite. Next, we need to display game over. For this purpose, a sprite was added for animation in the beginning, but we haven't created that sprite yet. Also, an animation was not provided. Let's create a sprite and animate it. For that, a var sprite code block under variables is dragged into this if code block. Name the sprite as lose. Since this message needs to be displayed in the middle, 200 and 200 are given for the X and Y positions. Next, because we need to provide an animation, click on sprites and drag the sprite.setAnimation code block like this. Give the name of the sprite as lose and select you lose for the animation. Good. We have now finished creating the game. Now let's click the run button. If you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. For me to see the design you made, WhatsApp it onto the number note 7681252244. Tell your friends also about the design you made. Just like you send this app to me, send it to your friends as well. One more thing, you should join the DP Coding School Telegram group. Try your best to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. For that, stay in touch with us. Let's meet with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.